Hello and welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel. My name is Ellen and today is Monday, January 19th, 2026. The sun was just here and it was nice and bright and it went in. So it's a little dim. It'll probably come back out again. So in any case, I'm here to bring a few finished makes that it's Monday and I have some things that I finished over the weekend. Yeah, so I feel a little bit accomplished. They're small items, but nonetheless, they're done. So the first, they're both crochet alongs that I'm probably catching up with. Well, catching up with one and kind of finished early on another. So if you watch Missy from Missy's Yarniverse and More, she's doing the duck dishcloth. Okay, with this little encyclopedia of dishcloths. And every week she has this cute little setup where she picks the ducks and the ducks are numbered. You have to go watch it. And she picks a washcloth for the week. So I finished last week's because I was a little late. Yeah, I was a deadbeat last week. And I finished this week's a little early. So let's see, this is last week's, okay? I'm not going to tell you the name or anything. I'm just going to show you because you have to go watch her channel. And this is this week's. So I'm ahead. Aha. The yarn that I used is, I love this cotton by Hobby Lobby. I don't have the ball band for this because this is part of my scraps that were left over from the last dishcloth from Laura Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming, where we were doing, what was it, 52 dishcloths. So, but yeah, this is pretty. As I said, it's variegated. Yarn chicken. And this here one, obviously the color is orange. And another Hobby Lobby. I love this cotton, which is 100% cotton. It's a 4-weight. I love this. This is very nice cotton to work with. So yeah, I did modify, as I generally do. I don't know, at least goes a little rogue. I didn't chain the amounts and the pattern because they would have been huge. So I shortened it a little bit, and it's the perfect size for what I prefer with dishcloths and washcloths. So this could be, and you can follow along, join in on the fun, and it's a great thing to use up all your scraps. Cotton. And actually, this could even, well, maybe not this one. Could be a hot pad. There's so many uses. Okay, so that was one crochet along that I caught up on. Another one that is happening is Lisa from Happy to Hook Creations is doing a crochet along famous artists. And I finished my project and I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to link her below. You have to go watch her channel so you can get the whole gist of the famous artists. But I finished. Okay, and this is it's a free pattern on Ravelry, and it's called the V-Stitch Vortex. And the designer is, I think her name is Susan Sands. I will link it below. Free pattern. And, this is I'm going to make many of these because it worked up so quickly. Okay. And this is, you can make it, you could keep going and make it a huge shawl. I made it's a boomerang. It's kind of a boomerang asymmetrical, but just perfect. And this would make a great gift. And this is a perfect size for me because, I like to, just have a little shawlette underneath my coat or my jacket. This color would be perfect with a jean jacket. Okay. Anyhow, let's do it right. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I just love it. So this yarn is one hank of Crystal at Bag O' Days. The color work was Starry Night, and it's a DK superwash merino with a little bit of stellina and nylon. And I played a little chicken. This is what I have left. So, yeah, and I even did the, you know, she gives you the option of doing like a border. So this was one hank. So this is one of those projects that you can do if you have a one odd hank, and it's a lovely gift. Lovely. I think somebody would love to just have something like this gifted to them. So I'm going to be making a few just to, you know, have on hand. Yeah, and so somebody, you know, I made a short today with the Sorry Sorry Night song by, what was it, Don McLean, I think. And somebody had asked in the comments if the shimmer, because it's got a little bit of sparkle in there, I don't know if you could see it, is scratchy, and absolutely not. What's in this yarn, this base that Crystal has, is stellina. Stellina is very fine, a delicate shimmer. It's not like Lorex, which is thicker. This is very fine, very soft. You feel absolutely nothing. You don't feel it at all. The only thing I feel is the beautiful superwash merino squishiness. So yeah, so if anybody had any question about the stellina. So that's my quick update for Monday. I have 3 projects done. Yay me, I accomplished something this weekend. Still working on my lacy cardigan. Still working on the sleeve. I think I put too much thought into it and I was critiquing it too much. So I need to step back a little bit for a day and tackle it again. It's working out, but you know, so there'll be more updates to that. Also yesterday on my Sunday video, I mentioned a make along that I'm hosting, and it's February is Heart Month. So February is Go Red for Women, American Heart Association. Also, it's Heart Month. You know, it's Valentine's Day. Yes, it is, but it's also Heart Month. We need to think about taking care of our hearts and the hearts of those that we love. If we're all sitting here watching this, you have a heart. If you have somebody sitting next to you, they have a heart. So yeah, it's all about heart health. And so just to bring a little bit of awareness, and hopefully, you know, beginning in February, I'll maybe put a few things on a post about, you know, heart health. But this project would be perfect because the make along is pick a project. It could be a small project, it could be a big project, a hat, a scarf, gloves, whatever. If you want to make it big, go for it. You're gonna watch that video, and it's gonna give you all the details. But this would also be a perfect project for that because this is one skein, okay? And you can make it in red, make it in pink, you know, a color that represents the heart. And yeah, so again, another free project pattern that I will link below for, you know, if you're gonna join in on the make along for February is Heart Month. Another project that would work also is, you know, I did what I called the Cupid's Wings scarf. And this is an Olga Poltova free tutorial on YouTube. And, you know, this was a hank and a half. I made it very long, you know. Even you could probably do this with one and just make it a little shorter. So sometimes I do like scarves that are not very long so they don't hang below your coat, but this would be another perfect project pattern for the make along for Heart Month, February. So go watch my video from yesterday. I think it's titled Sunday and February is Heart Month, something like that. Join in on the fun. Well, that's my update for today. Monday, the beginning of the week. I hope everyone has a great week ahead. It's really bitter cold here, and I think most of the United States is in a vortex of cold, freezing weather. Even Florida, I understand that, you know, some places in Florida, I think I heard they had some snow. yeah, it's crazy, crazy weather. But in any case, thanks for watching. Stay safe. And I will see you on the next one. And yeah, join the make along for February is Heart Month. And if you'd like to join the make along with Lisa from Happy to Hook Creations, that's the famous artist crochet along. Or another one is the Duck Duck dishcloth. I will link all the channels below. And that's it. Take care. Thanks for watching. And I will see you on the next one. Bye now.